Hi guys, you're welcome back to my channel, Naija News and Entertainment. So guys, I'm back to the Bbnaija lockdown house. So many things have been happening in the house, and last night I think something happened between Prince and Tolanibaj. The ship of Tolanibaj and Prince seems to be sailing well, as it appears the two have already chopped each other after Tolanibaj's ass was spotted on TV. Tolanibaj was seen sleeping with Prince, but unfortunately for her, her yansh was showing and she wasn't wearing anything to cover it. Some people believe they nagged last night, but others too claim nothing happened, even though Tolanibaj was yearning for something to happen between them. So guys, what do you think of the video, of the clips you just saw now? Do you think something happened between them? Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Anyway, from all indications, Prince and Tolanibaj are now an item, and we wish them the best.